Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to today's video on how to pay taxes for all the cryptocurrency profits you have made. You have to notice that whenever you withdraw the money from the any of the cryptocurrency site like Coinbase or Bittrex or Binance, any website, when you convert the digital currency into your US dollars, then that is accounted as a transaction. It's just like when you go into a casino, you buy coins there, playing coins, paying the money, right? So no matter how much coins you made profit or how much coins you lost, but at the end of the day, when you transfer all those casino coins into liquid money or cash, when you transfer that, then that time you made some money out of the casino, or you made some profit out of that, or whatever it calls, you made a transaction there. So no one really cares how much money you made in the casino unless you get it back in form of a US dollars, right? So same thing occurs with the cryptocurrency thing. You invest in something, no matter if it grows or if you made profit or if you got lost, when you convert that profit or that money from cryptocurrency to the US dollars, then that time it is accountable. So here, if you are looking this video, you might be wanted to know how to pay taxes for all the crypto transactions you have made. I'll give an example to make this point more clear to all you guys. Let's suppose I bought an Bitcoin of $1,000 today, and it increased to 5,000 today, and I made a profit of $4,000 here. So now I convert Bitcoin to US dollars. Now I got $5,000 in my hand. So during this process, this is accountable as a profit, and we have to make tax payment for all the profits we made. So whenever you sell or buy a coin, there is a transaction fee associated with that transaction. So let's take an example of Coinbase. Let's suppose we are trying to buy a Bitcoin of okay, let's buy $1,000. So here it shows that the Coinbase fee. So this is not tax. You have to notice that this is not tax. So Coinbase or most of the online website doesn't pay tax for you. This is just the fee charging for using their service. So this is not a tax that you are paying. So don't be in such a illusion that I'm paying a service fee or and tax so that it's all legal. No, you have to pay tax by yourself. So here I'll show you in this video on how to understand how much of tax you need to pay for all the transactions you have made. I have made this really easy. This video will be really short and very useful for you guys if you are a cryptocurrency guy. So let's get started. Here I will take an example of Coinbase. So I have been using this from 2017 suppose, and I would like to pay the taxes for all the profits or whatever transactions I made. How can you do that? To do that in a regular manner, you need to get into the tab called tools. So here you will find reports. You will find no reports because you might not have generated one before. Here I have generated two reports just to show you guys on how they look. So you need to get the reports of all the transactions you have made, and then take these reports and sit with the accountant guy. They will have their own formats to pay the taxes, and they might help you out. But in this video I'll show you on how to pay taxes by yourself for all your transactions. So you can generate a report just by clicking a new report here and select the transaction history or everything. You have everything, referral history, everything is countable, right? If someone refers you to use this site, and if it makes a transaction more than $100, then you'll get a $10 as a bonus reference. So all these are countable. So you can select it. Right now we'll just select the transaction history. So after selecting that tab, and select which coin you would like to get that report on. So here we'll select the report will be with the Ethereum, but I already generated one, so let's get with Litecoin here. So I'll select the Litecoin, and I'll select the time range as last year because this is 2017. We're planning to pay taxes for 2017. So just select your email to and your email address, and just click on create report, and this will generate the report in few seconds, and I'll get notified in my email account right away. So I don't need to worry about this progress or this process going behind the Coinbase. So just wait for the email, and there we go. We got an email from Coinbase saying that your transaction is ready and you can download it here. And when I click on this, it redirects to download a file. It's safe, don't need to worry about that. You can download it, and with downloads you can notice here that in the 2017 these are all my transactions made with the Litecoin. So it's very clear here that to, from, and the currency, how much I have invested, and to what account I have transferred. So it's crystal clear. It's everything is noted down here, and this you can show this to your accountant, and they might help on that. Here we have a very beautiful website called Bitcoin Taxes. So when you get into the Google, just type in Bitcoin tax, and the first website it pops up is this one, Bitcoin taxes. So when you get into this website, it will ask you to register. So don't worry, it's all safe and you can register. I have already registered in this. So when you registered into the Bitcoin taxes, on the home screen it will show you 5 steps. Here I have taken a snapshot of it, so let's just see what that 5 steps are. So the first one is start the trades tab. Choose the import trades from the exchange you have used, and then add the income such as mining and any spending such as buying, tipping or making donations. And the third point is optionally add any coins you owned from last year in the opening position tab. I'll show you what all these tabs and way to do that step by step. The fourth step is use calculate to view your capital gains. That is an option there in the Bitcoin tax website. Use calculate to view your capital's gain. So after that, go to the reports and export to download the details of your record or taxes form. So the point to be noted here is it's absolutely free up to 100 Bitcoins or Litecoin or Dogecoin or any other alt coin trades or transactions, or use our premium version for ultimate transactions. It means that this website helps you to get a report, beautiful report, how much taxes you have to pay if your transactions is less than 100 transactions, 50. I'm not sure, but in the website it shows we can do up to 50 transactions, and they will give us the free report how much taxes I need to pay for the last year. Here you can see that import trades on the home screen, whatever interface you are using. Let's suppose I'm using a Coinbase account. So in the Coinbase account, I'll just click on that, and just will ask you to link the account with the Coinbase. So when you find that link, click that linked account, and it will ask for your credentials, and if your Coinbase is already open, then it will just make that the linking, and you in the Coinbase you will be able to see that. So when you link your Coinbase over here, it will help you to calculate all the taxes. So to do that, you need to import all the transactions made in your Coinbase into this Bitcoin taxes. So to do that, you can do the same way which I shown you on the beginning of this video, or you can also do in just by clicking the import trades button over here. So if you click on the import trades, let's click that. It will automatically get into your Coinbase and grab all the transactions and show it here. So here you can see that 19 trades imported. So it gets you all the data into your Bitcoin taxes from the Coinbase and gives you a beautiful report on how much taxes you have to pay. It just imported and everything. So I can see here that some of my trades on how it went. So in the income, doesn't need to worry about that. And if you are mining, just click on mining and give that digital address, whatever the machine number is and all. You might get familiar as you explore around this Bitcoin taxes site. In the spending, it all depends on how much you did, and they have got a lot of options. You can put in your information and calculate the taxes. So the beautiful part is click on the calculate button over here and it will help you show how much taxes you have to pay. So the estimated taxes is 40.99 for my 2017 transactions of the Bitcoin. So it's beautifully shown here that how much I've spent and how much profits I've made. This is all too much of information that doesn't make any sense to me, but all I really care is the estimated taxes at the bottom. So I need to pay 40.99 taxes because I haven't used the other websites than Coinbase. I've only used Coinbase, so I just linked my Coinbase to the Bitcoin taxes and I click the calculate, and this site, the best feature is that it will give you 50 free imports, and if you want to use more number of imports and if you did a lot of mining and a lot of crypto transactions, you might need to go to the premium, paid version of this Bitcoin taxes. That will help you to grab all the transactions and calculate the estimated tax. So here you might need to just click on lock. This will lock for the year 2017. Once you are happy with your tax calculations, you can lock your data and calculations for the tax year. You will not be able to make any more changes to any information, positions, or selected a different calculations method. This is not permanent but stops any accidental charges. If you have made an error or do need to make changes, you can unlock your data again. So are you sure you want to make this lock for 2017? And I just click on yes. But before that, let me show you one more thing here. This 40.99 is as per the tax rate of 28%. This percentage depends on various factors that I'm not clear yet. So you might need to check with your accountant or whatever account agency you're dealing with, and click on reports and click on download here. You can use this downloaded reports which we just did and get into the IRS website. So before doing that, I prefer you all consult accountant team so that they will help you on how to file taxes and all. But you can pay taxes online too. Just go get into the Google and pay taxes online and click on the irs.gov website. It will guide you to pay taxes online. So when you click on the pay, direct pay, debit or credit, click on debit or credit, and also you'll see here various options on how to pay your taxes. So this is a short video to help you guys get familiar with the Bitcoin taxes form and to get an idea on how much tax you have to pay for each year on whatever transactions you have made. So Bitcoin taxes is a website that will really help you get an idea on how much taxes you have to pay for that particular year. Alright guys, hope you like this video and see you again with some interesting topic again. Enjoy online trading.